Hello, I'm Hank from 3589A Gear Train, and today I'm going to be talking about my custom license plate stencils. Because of this year's ban on 3D prints across the entire robot, including license plates, it has sparked a lot of controversy. But these stencils allow for you to make custom license plates while still staying inside the rules. These stencils use these studs on the bottom to line up with your license plates every single time, and they remove the need for tape to hold them in. But I would still recommend using tape on the sides to make sure you don't get paint on the sides. And then you just take your spray paint, go along the top, and then after it dries, you take them off, and boom, you have your custom license plate every single time. These are easy to use, and all you need is just a can of white spray paint, a 3D printer to print the stencil, and your old license plates just to print on the back of them. To make one of these yourself, you'll want to open up the CAD file in the description. I'm using Fusion, but any software should work. From here, you'll want to make your design. So you can do this by making the sketch, pressing the top layer, and then doing it on here if you want to do it in the file. But you can also do it by importing an SVG, and I'm going to show you how to do that with my Google Drawings template. So when you open up the template, this is what you'll see. You'll see a license plate with a bunch of borders. I would recommend staying inside this area so that way it doesn't go outside the touching area. You don't want it to touch these or be too far out to the edge. From here, what you'll want to do is you can go here, you can insert your team name, you can adjust the font however you want it. And then this goes for if you're designing it in the CAD software itself, you will want to add supports for these inside letters because they are inside here. Since they will be floating in mid-air, you want to fix this. And if you want to make it look better, you can get rid of the borders. Just remember, it doesn't have to look great on here because this is not going to be what it looks like. So from here, what you'll want to do is go to download and then download as an SVG or whatever you're using. Go to insert SVG. Once you've inserted your SVG, it should look like this. Then what you'll want to do is you'll want to flip it around so that way it's right ways, and then you'll just want to size it to it. It should be the same size if you're using the template. So you just want to line it up with it. Since you got it lined up pretty good, you'll want to go out, press OK, and then it should look something like this. So then from here, you'll finish sketch, and then you'll go to extrude, click on your letters, and then just remember that these lines are just there to help hold it up. So it'll just look something like this. And then you'll want to go to cut, and then what you'll want to do is bring it down so that way it cuts through this piece. Press OK, and then there is your stencil. So once it's printed, it should look something like this with two layers, one flat one and then one that goes in between the crevices, and then these poles that should go inside of these. So you'll grab your old one, flip it over to the blank side, make sure the poles lined up with those, take your spray paint, go over it, and then after that, it should end up looking like this. Thank you for watching. Give this a try and make your own custom license plates.